Hey there everybody, we are back here at the DJ Lab taking a look at the Denon DJ Prime 4. The big question everybody's always asking me is, does this thing work with Rekordbox? Can I take my USB stick and just plug it in? And I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Take your stick, plug it in, and it says there's an existing music collection found. So, would you like to import it? Yes. 80 tracks, all in FLAC file. Go to my playlist that I made in Rekordbox. There it is. It's my Spotify list that I put together. Select it, and you have all your tracks. So the only thing you need to do is when you first load a track is it needs to build the waveform. And considering these are big FLAC files, it does it pretty quick. Once it does that, it's not just building your waveform, it's also analyzing the key as well. So when we look back at our view again, you'll see right over here, the key is there. Might be a little bit hard on the contrast to notice, but it's there. And that's it. Simple as it gets. Thanks for tuning into the channel. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll try and get back to everybody in a timely fashion. And hope you have a great day.